It all begins on the empty sands of Huntington Beach.
That's no sandy beach, Mike.
Thanks, Obi-Wan, but not now. Not now. Whoa! We actually have to go back a couple of years to the real start of the BBSC, Beach Bonfire and Supper Club. It started when we wanted to celebrate the birthday of our favorite Greek. That's right, Miss Tina.
No, not that girl. That girl. Let me show you here. Roll in the slide. Whoa.
So that's how it began, as a surprise party. And this July marks the 2-year anniversary of the BBSC. As you can see by our earlier video, we showed the girls what to wear, and the hairstyles, and even showed the guys what to wear, and maybe a few guest appearances. If you want to, you can watch that video at the link below. Okay, let's bounce back to today and our next BBSC. And here's what you can expect. Gourmet food.
That's something good. Talented young man, huh? You see, what are we eating?
Smile, say cheese.
Chicken. And that we're eating right now, not bad as well. Okay, this is...
Sometimes we even participate in a little dueling chefs. But it's always a grand feast for all those who attend. And at nighttime, nothing but the best. We bring out our candelabras at that time. Now, we also have some sports and athletic activities like, volleyball and baseball. That is when the weather and wind permits. And of course, body and boogie surfing, walking the beach, watching the sun go down, and this time we added some kiting.
Here are the kite flyers right here. All right. Mr. and Mrs. Kite Flyer, how did you do that? Nicely done.
And of course, bonfires and glowing embers and be careful you don't step on it. Hey, where's the disclaimers?
This is not
a sing-along. Bonfire sing-along.
Time to watch the nighttime sky.
Can't hear you, Elvira.
Hey, look at those pinkies over there. They're like bunny rabbits.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. No.
Peanut gallery, go off again.
Yeah, that's right. This is why in Russia tea drinks you. They don't forget this kind of stuff.
She likes where from Arnie is from. Arnie.
Oh yeah, I am.
Yeah.
But I'm from the city. He's not.
Oh, that's now there's someone who doesn't believe this. Yeah.
Iowa and Kansas.
All right, which one's from Iowa?
Okay, I'll be from Kansas.
Kansas. You're Kansas, and you're Iowa.
And I'm wearing a fanny pack.
Oh yes,
They're
you notice
coming
that?
back into style now.
Ah yes. Okay.
No, they're not.
Okay.
Sold you that lie.
That really makes me feel embarrassed.
So you guys were on the train to go for a hike in the Ozarks, and you just happened to end up over here.
Ended up in Huntington Beach somehow.
Yeah, I want to find these people.
Yeah.
Well, we're so glad you came here.
I've never seen fireplace on the beach.
I need to get you down there.
Okay.
I thought you are not allowed.
That's all right.
I think you're allowed to have fireplace here.
You're allowed to have fireplace. You're not allowed to have hats, though.
So we're
That's right.
So that's it. And as the embers die out, and the rising moon calls to you, all that's missing from our next BBSC, where everyone knows your name, is you. Obi-Wan. Where's Obi-Wan?
That's no moon.